Hi. Okay, you guys. So just a quick video. And yes, we're in my bathroom. All right. So I have something I just ordered. You're probably wondering why I'm unboxing this in my bathroom. There's a reason. I have a reason. Okay. There's a reason. With that being said, let's get into it. Okay. So I made the video. If you follow my TikTok or anything else, you see my video of this jewelry cleaner, which is great, but it was running low, so I was like, I'm just gonna replace it with some Tiffany jewelry cleaner. So of course it like comes gift wrapped like this, just like this. Throw that down. Here's the box. Jewelry cleaner, made in England. Little tab because it's going to slide out as such. Boop. Okay, setting this down. All right, so there's this little like book, like there's a book in here. Literally, I'm guessing. Hold on, I guess it's down so I can tell you guys what this is. This luxury jewelry care kit is ideal for keeping your Tiffany jewelry sparkling. Well, I will tell you this. It is going to keep my non-Tiffany jewelry sparkling one day, maybe. When I win the lottery, I'll be rocking a Tiffany diamond. But for now, we're not there. Okay. All right. So after I took out the instructions, it has this. This is a diamond polishing cloth because diamonds. And there's a little tweezers in here and a little brush. And let me get the jewelry cleaner out. Here it is. All right, and I'm gonna take these little tweezers and little brush out. Little brush that comes in there. And little tweezers, because when you drop it into the cleaner, you're gonna need them to pull it out. And here's the polishing cloth. I'm gonna go ahead and open this. And it looks like such. All right, so now that we're to this point, are you guys ready to clean my ring? All right. This isn't a Tiffany diamond. One day, like I said, hopefully. All right, so we're opening. You can see it, but there's a seal on there. I'm gonna set my ring down. Close the sink so I don't lose my ring. And let's get this open. Try not to spill it. All right. I love how I just tore that right off of there. It didn't open. Hold on one second. And some little scissors. I want that stuff to transport and I don't want it to open. Okay, so little scissors because that did not want to come open. So cut that. Well, which you wouldn't want it to open while it's being transported. So we open it. We're peeling all of that back. I don't want any of this to spill, so I'm trying to be like not super aggressive. Oh, this smells good actually. It smells nice. Oh, there we go. All right, that was most of it. Okay, so jewelry cleaner. Bam. All right. Big ring. Band. Drop in. I don't know how long you're supposed to leave them in here. Probably just, okay, so place your jewelry into the jewelry cleaner kit. Check your jewelry after 2 minutes. Do not leave items immersed for long periods of time. Don't do that. I literally do that. Like I'll put them in jewelry cleaner when I'm in the shower. Don't do it. The packaging says don't do it. Don't do it. Okay, so we'll give it a little bit of time. I'll be right back, you guys. I'm going to give it like 2 minutes. Okay, so we're at the 2-minute mark. So I'm ready to pull the items out. I'm going to do here's the little tweezers. Doot, doot. I'm going to pull my band out. Band. I'm going to set this down. I'm literally going to spill this, but do not quit. Okay, so here's the band. I'm really, okay, so everybody else can use this little brush. That's great. Ha ha ha. No, I like to use my old Sonic hair toothbrush. I'm going to dip it in going to show you what I'm going to do. I'm going to dip it into this to get a little bit of that. And then I'm going to take the band and just power scrub it. I turned the toothbrush on, so it's literally getting down in there. It's flinging water everywhere. But anyways, scrubbing, scrubbing, scrubbing. Turn it off. Now I'm going to rinse it. Look at that all over the mirror. Ooh, it's kind of... Make sure you don't drop any jewelry down the sink because you're a maniac. All right. Okay, so there's that. I'm going to dry it off with a towel. And then I'm going to take this cloth that they gave me and just use it to run across the diamonds. Give them a little bit of pizzazz. So there's my band. Sliding is not equipped for diamonds. Set the band down. Same thing with the engagement ring. Pull it out. Set tweezers down. Grab brush. Scrub. Same thing. Just scrubbing the heck out of it. Alright, there we go. Rinsing all of that off of there. Bro, this thing is looking amazing. Oh my goodness. Okay, so it's out of there now. Let me dry. I'm backing up because there's a little towel here. Alright, taking the diamond cloth. Wiping, cleaning, and there she is. Literally the shiniest this ring has been since I bought it. Wow. Sorry, I know this is not like focusing, but clearly you can see it. All right, so now I'm going to put my rings back on. And just cannot believe how well that works. The price point on that jewelry care kit, and this is for gold, diamonds, platinum, rose gold, not for sterling silver. Not for sterling silver. Let me reiterate, there's a silver care kit. Do not buy this and use it on your silver. The cost for this kit is $35. Worth it. If you don't see it available online, you can always call the 1-800 number or a store location. It may just not be available at the fulfillment center they have, but available in their retail locations. Anyways, thanks for watching. Enjoy shining up all your jewelry with your Tiffany Jewelry Care Kit. Let me reiterate that. Enjoy my videos and subscribe and like if you have any questions. Again, this is $35. It works on all jewelry. You don't have to have a Tiffany engagement ring to purchase this. This is exceptional. It's made for luxury items, the best diamonds in the world. And it doesn't matter if your diamond was bought at Tiffany. It's still going to work really well, and it's still really good price. So buy you some, enjoy, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Thanks you guys so much for watching. Again, check out the diamond. Have a great evening, you guys. Take care. Bye.